Hi everyone! My name is Arianna and I am an OT at the DSRF. In this video, I will be providing you with some positioning guidelines to help your child with their printing skills. Correct wrist positioning is key to helping your child improve their printing, as this provides stability for the hands. If you think about how you hold a pen or pencil to write, we usually extend our wrist upwards, as this is the most effective position for printing, as well as other fine motor activities. Children with Down syndrome may have more difficulty with this due to low tone and muscle weakness, and it may not develop automatically as a result. Drawing on a slanted surface, such as an easel or slant board, is a great way to encourage wrist extension when your child is drawing or printing. Because our hands work more efficiently in this position, this can help your child to develop their fine motor control. If you don't have either of these at home, you can use a 3-ring binder to provide the same effect. Using a wider slanted surface such as this can provide a space for your child to stabilize their arms and wrist, allowing for easier movement of the hand and fingers for printing. Working on a vertical surface such as a blackboard or on a piece of paper taped to the wall encourages that wrist extension and can also help your child develop the shoulder stability and strength required to print effectively. Warming up the muscles prior to printing can help prepare your child both physically and mentally for the activity. Some activity suggestions for fine motor warm-ups include playing with Play-Doh, practicing cutting, squishing, and forming different shapes, playing with a fidget toy or a squeeze ball, using clothespins or chip clips to pick up objects such as toys, and using scissors to cut paper of various thickness. Now, let's do a quick overview of the stages of grasp progression to familiarize yourself with what you may see with your child. Initially, your child may hold their pencil in their palm with a circular grasp. Following this, your child may start to use their fingers and their palm like this. The next progression is to hold the pencil between the thumb and the fingers, where most of the movement comes from the wrist and the arm, as opposed to isolated in the hand. Finally, children may begin using a more mature tripod grasp, where the child holds the pencil between the tips of the thumb and first 2 or 3 fingers. With this grasp, the child uses small movements of their hand to print. Each child will progress through these stages at their own pace, and while that tripod grasp is the goal, it's important not to force your child to grasp the pencil in a particular way, as you may do more harm than good. It is very hard to unlearn a poor pencil grasp later in life. When a child is forced to use a proper pencil grasp before the shoulder and arm muscles are ready to support it, you may find fine motor problems emerging, such as holding the pencil in odd ways, messy work, and even avoidance of drawing and coloring tasks. Grasp is a developmental process, just like crawling and walking. If your child is just starting to learn to print, providing them with wider writing tools like paint pens, markers, and wide pencils is a good way to start to develop their grasp. To see how these tools work, check out our video on printing skills. And for information on where to obtain these materials, visit the DSRF Learn at Home website for product links. To improve control, you can provide your child with a grip for their pencil. You can also encourage your child to hold their pencil 1 to 2 centimeters from the tip. If you don't have a pencil grip, you can tie elastic bands around the base of the pencil to provide something colorful and rubbery for your child to grasp. Another option could be using duct tape. You can encourage a tripod by having your kids hold something in their hand with their ring and pinky finger, like so. Body positioning is also an important aspect of effective printing. For more info, you can check out our video for effective body position for printing at the DSRF Learn at Home website at www.dsrf.org/learnathome. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more OT tips and tricks coming soon at the DSRF Learn at Home website.